this is my project on Do Seagulls Know When We Have Our Lunch? I was inspired to do this project since I live in a town near the beach where there tends to be a lot of seagulls. Started this project during SciFest, the start of the year, January up to May. It's quite interesting, but I wanted to include the fact of different schools. I actually included data from Balbriggan Community College and seeing how many seagulls were there during their lunch and breaks and compared. I've noticed a few things like when Balbriggan Community College has like a larger amount of seagulls at their lunch, we have a lower amount of seagulls at our lunch. I mean, there's potentially our seagulls go to their school. It's also another interesting thing I found is that around Balbriggan Community College's break time, the seagulls that were originally from around 20 before dropped like almost dramatically to 5 in a couple of minutes, almost fitting perfectly with the exact time that Balbriggan Community College's lunch starts. So I would personally say that my hypothesis is correct, that seagulls can recognize when students have their lunch.